Hey there, investors. Get ready for a hot IPO in the solar sector. Waaree Energies Limited, a leading Indian solar energy company, is going public. This is your chance to grab a piece of the booming renewable energy market. Waaree is a big player in solar power. They are involved in everything from making solar cells and modules to setting up large-scale solar projects. The company has a strong track record and a vision for a greener future. This IPO is a game changer. It will fuel Waaree's expansion plans and solidify its position in the industry. I'm talking about a fresh issue of shares and an offer for sale by existing shareholders. This means more money for the company to grow. So listen up, this IPO is a big deal. It's a chance to invest in a company at the forefront of the clean energy revolution. Stay tuned for more details because this is an opportunity you don't want to miss. All right, folks, let's talk money. Waaree's IPO is all about expansion. They're raising capital to boost their manufacturing capacity and grab a bigger slice of the solar pie. The company has big plans for the IPO proceeds. The main focus is on building state-of-the-art solar cell and PV module manufacturing facilities. These facilities will significantly increase Waaree's production capacity, allowing them to meet the soaring demand for solar energy. But that's not all. Waaree is also investing in research and development. They want to stay ahead of the curve and develop even more efficient and cost-effective solar solutions. This strategic use of IPO funds will propel Waaree's growth trajectory. It will enable the company to capitalize on the immense opportunities in the rapidly expanding solar energy market. Remember, investing in Waaree is not just about making money, it's about investing in a sustainable future. Let me tell you, Waaree is not just another player in the solar game. They are a powerhouse. This company has some serious strengths that set them apart from the competition. First and foremost, Waaree has a vertically integrated business model. From manufacturing solar cells and modules to engineering, procurement, and construction services, they handle it all. This gives them tight control over their supply chain and ensures high-quality products. Second, Waaree has a wide distribution network. They have a strong presence not only in India, but also in international markets. This global reach gives them a competitive edge. Third, Waaree is committed to innovation. They have a dedicated research and development team that is constantly working on developing cutting-edge solar technologies. This focus on innovation keeps them ahead of the game. Waaree's strong market presence, combined with its unwavering commitment to quality and innovation, makes it a formidable force in the solar industry. Section 4. Trust and Transparency. Waaree's commitment to corporate governance. Now, let's talk about something crucial: corporate governance. Waaree understands that trust and transparency are paramount for a publicly listed company. Waaree is committed to maintaining the highest standards of corporate governance. They have a robust framework in place to ensure ethical conduct, accountability, and transparency in all their operations. The company has an independent board of directors with extensive experience in various fields. This ensures that the company is managed in the best interests of all stakeholders. Waaree is also committed to transparent financial reporting. They follow strict accounting practices and provide clear and accurate financial information to their investors. This unwavering commitment to corporate governance makes Waaree a reliable and trustworthy investment option. Section 5. From humble beginnings to solar giant, Waaree's journey. Listen up, because this is a classic tale of entrepreneurial spirit. Waaree Energies started with a vision to harness the power of the sun and illuminate the world. The company was founded in 1989 by Hitesh Doshi, a visionary entrepreneur with a passion for renewable energy. From humble beginnings, Waaree has grown into a solar giant, thanks to Doshi's leadership and the dedication of the entire Waaree team. Over the years, Waaree has achieved several milestones. They have commissioned large-scale solar power plants, supplied solar modules to prestigious projects worldwide, and won numerous awards and recognitions for their excellence. Today, Waaree stands as a testament to the power of innovation, determination, and a commitment to a sustainable future. Section 6. A brighter future. The impact of Waaree's IPO. Here's the bottom line. Waaree's IPO is a game changer. It's not just about raising capital, it's about fueling the growth of a company that is at the forefront of the global transition to clean energy. This IPO will have a ripple effect on the entire solar industry. It will attract more investments, foster innovation, and accelerate the adoption of solar energy worldwide. Waaree's success story is an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs and a beacon of hope for a greener and more sustainable future. So, keep your eyes on Waaree Energies Limited. This IPO is your chance to be a part of something big, something transformative. Don't miss out on this opportunity to invest in a brighter future.